Helen Keller is killing an F4U right now.
I'm proud of her.
I wouldn't be.
No, he's dead. She did it.
I did it, actually.
Oh, you did it.
She didn't do shit.
Damn.
Guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm taking a shit right now, dude, and I don't think I'm gonna make it. This is fuck.
Come on. No.
If he's smart, he turns and just takes a head on with me right now.
Got him.
Good shit. Bruh, it would literally solve the problem of people being like, it's AIDS to play this nation at this BR.
You're actually
Because of the
questioning
teams.
Gaijin's logic.
Yes.
You might be dumber than they are.
I'm sorry, I'm new here. Thing's so tiny. Hello?
Hello, sorry I'm late. I was just my 3 smoking hot girlfriends. And yes,
Not
they
okay.
smoke weed.
Sleepy chair.
This poor man took so
Yes.
long fucking climbing up here, and I'm going to kill him for it. What were you playing?
The case of Charles Dexter Ward.
My favorite plane.
Bro.
What BR is that, Pineapple?
Keter class.
Alright, I'll go up there. Don't you make me come up here, I will turn this fucking plate around!
Oh yeah, that's right.
And there'll be no Disney World for anybody!
I can.
I agree.
Eyes on the kill feed. Rest in pieces. What's he in? Oh, the Huggy. Understandable. Yeah.
I don't want to fly.
What Gaijin employee's dick do you have to suck to get that air spawn?
God damn, this thing climbs.
God damn!
This thing feels like a brick, Rico.
Oh, there's your fuckboy over there.
Guys, I'm about to do something a 162
sick.
never should be able to do.
Catch the F-84?
I killed an F-84!
Get the fuck out of here.
Bozos. Yeah.
I just got a
right
school
here.
nurse fired.
Cool.
Based.
How?
So she tried stealing from our Walmart and we caught her. And then they did their fucking background check on her. And fucking... and she was being a complete bitch too, and my report says that she was being a complete bitch.
Like word for word.
What'd you teach?
No, she was a school nurse.
Oh, nurse.
Yeah.
Hey, fuck her.
No, I just said that she was acting very rude to me and
Rude and
like quoted what she was saying, and then there's also video of her just like flipping me off and shit. I don't live in the city. Yeah. I just get paid to stalk people around my store.
It's
It's fun. It's the truth. I literally fucking just hide from people. I play hide and seek with people in my store as they steal.
Yeah, there's no security. The self-checkouts are completely open. There's a guy out front with a security guard's nameplate, but his real job, as far as I can tell, is buying underage kids alcohol.
Based.
So there is no security. Because I don't really know what the ATF is.
Alcohol, tobacco, and firearms unit.
Put it
People
in-
that shoot people's dogs.
I'll put it in general.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, and now I think I know who the bad guy in this story is.
they don't carry level 4 plates.
Hello, Sky.
Howdy.
I got a hit from that far out. I'm ending
How does
it.
that even happen? He's on fire. I set him on fire and took off his tail, and that guy hit one machine gun round on him.
I got a crit, so Pineapple, let's see you not get the kill crit. Don't worry.
I'm gonna go crash into
I
this
got
guy.
another hit.
Oh, we got the kill.
Alright, that was all of them. Yeah, he's going up to fuck.
Bobe's gonna be a police officer?
How
where is the
were you
academy?
not already privy to this information?
How? He's gonna shoot black people. He can't do that.
No, I'm
He's-
just gonna
he
shoot
should-
you.
No, Sky, he's shooting black people in my area, so it's alright.
Oh shit. Shoot.
All right, what BR?
They didn't have anyone that climbed up to high altitude like an idiot. He's ushering a cat. There he goes.
Quit sniffing my socks and leave. Alright, she left.
No sock sniffing cat. Why live?
Two X hit. I think I hit him and a ground emplacement with one bullet.
No, you can get 2x hit on a.
That's the end of me. Oh, thanks, dude. Appreciate it.
I was 0.4 of a mile away from him and he was full afterburning. You telling me these fucking missiles won't lock? What the fuck is with this map and shit not locking?
I have returned.
Hello.
Like out in the open.
Huh?
He's talking about compressed gold.
We're rich. Lock his shit ass. He's a mile in front of you.
No.
What the fuck was that?
Did you see that?
Yeah. What the fuck was that?
I've got no packet loss and a ping of 50. How the fuck? Air missiles not working in a game! Sorry.
Whack.
I think he's out of flares now.
Oh,
He's
that
out of
one
attention
worked.
span. Fuck! Oh!
Motherfucker, baby raging over here.
No plausible deniability or nothing.
No fucking way, dude. That did not hit me. Yeah. Why are there less enduring confrontation matches at 11?
Because I have them all banned.
Thank fuck. Thank you, Thrico. I would kiss you on the lips right now.
You know if you'd like it.